Okay, we are live. Um, this is our fourth session on pediatric homeopathic learners, and today I'm going to discuss one case. We'll wait for some time. First of all, thank you so much for an amazing response to our all the videos, and especially the third video, which had almost 20,000 views. I am so happy for all the appreciation and the motivation that you all have given us. So this is just an attempt so that we all can learn from each other, and probably I also get a chance to reread my cases. Okay, so whatever queries you have, you can ask me here while we are, or you can post it in the group also, so that we can take it in every session. Okay, so I'm going to discuss one case here, and as asked earlier, we'll be discussing one remedy each time. Okay, so this is a case of a girl, and she was 2.5 years when she came to me first. Actually, she didn't came. I was requested to talk in English, so I'll try that. I'll talk mostly in English, and जो भी patient की feelings होंगी, probably I can tell that in Hindi. So the mother used to come to collect the medicine, and every time the mother used to come, she said she used to never get the daughter. So when I used to ask why you don't get the daughter, she said वो बहुत she cries a lot, she doesn't want to go to any place. So if she comes here, she will howl and howl and howl, and we'll probably not be able to talk. So she used to come and take the medicine. So I thought she has fear of doctors and probably the fear of injections, so delusion, injury, being injured off, and she said she cries a lot, so shrieking children in. I used to prescribe her Shrimuni that we normally do. And there was always a partial response with that stramonium. So once, twice, thrice, probably. That was in a gap of 5 months, 4 months, I prescribed her. Then I realized that it is not working, and I asked her to get her once. When she got her from my clinic is at the first floor. So from the stairs, she was howling, crying, shrieking, jor se, she was crying. So the mother came inside, said, you please give the medicine. The child will not be able to come inside. I said, you get her once. It's okay, let her cry. So the father got the child, and the child was shrieking loudly, crying. I said, kya hua? She said she always cries like that. Then I said, only while going to the doctor or everywhere? She said, everywhere. She doesn't want to meet anybody new, or she doesn't want to go to the school. She doesn't want to make friends. Anybody new to her, she doesn't like. So she just keeps on crying. And so I said, okay. And the mother is trying to explain her, कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, doctor is just a homeopathic doctor. She's not giving you injection. Why are you crying? And so she was really sobbing. It's not only shrieking, it's weeping, sobbing, fear, fright. So all that was there. And she had a complaint of recurrent cold and cough. With stramonium, she was always partially better. And then they consulted pediatrician who had given her a lot of anti-allergics. So she was on anti-allergics for 1 or 2 months, and we were not able to talk because she was really scared. And then mother said that anything new person, new neighbor, anybody, she just doesn't like, She has very little friends. She's always very scared to go outside. We avoid going to public places and things like that. So this is the case, and she has the complaint of recurrent cold and cough. So I would like to ask you all any remedy that is coming to your mind. And she's not very fond of eating, that is, and any totality that you can think of, or any rubrics. Hello, good morning. I'll wait for a minute or two, and then probably I can tell my totality and what I gave her. Okay. So here in this case, I realized that this is not only fear of injection or fear of doctor. Here she doesn't want to meet anybody which is new to her. Anybody who is strange to her or who is not known. She's okay with her mother, father, grandparents, and probably the people who are very close and keep coming to the house. But she's not very comfortable with someone whom she doesn't know. Okay. She doesn't want to go to school because school is also a new place to her. In this case, what I have learned is that fear of doctor, fear injury, being injured of, or school aversion to, because it is not aversion, it is basically a fear of something which I am not, which is new to me. That is the core of the case. And the rubrics that I, and lot of shyness to appear in new places, or to go to a public place, where she, even to a mall or a crowded place, she used to feel very scared. Okay, someone is saying Baraita. Yes, Baraita also comes, but okay. Lycopodium, yes. So I'll share what rubrics I took in this case. I took timidity public appearing in, timidity public about appearing in, talk to, weeping, sobbing, weeping with, fear unknown of the, fear new people, person of. This is a very important rubric. Timidity, fear with, fear children in, and mother said that when if I, fear of being approached, yes. And the mother said that if I, tell her something, she listens. So I took yielding disposition in this. And the remedy that I gave was Lycopodium 30. Yes. So I gave her Lycopodium. See, why I am presenting this cases, usually such cases, if we go towards fear, we go towards Baraita carb. And if we think about that patient is shrieking and all that, we think of chamomilla and stramonium. We normally don't think of remedies like Lycopodium in such cases. But I have treated so many patients of any cold and cough, bronchitis, asthma with Lycopodium, where the presenting feature is fear new person of. This is, I think there are only 2 remedies in it. Fear new person of, yes, Lycopodium and strontium carb. So fear new, नया कोई भी जना जो मेरे को नहीं पता है, is very characteristic of Lycopodium. If we study Lycopodium can be of 2 types, either very timid, shy, who doesn't want to talk in public, anticipatory anxiety and timidity, and the other part of Lycopodium is dominating, dictatorial, delirium, dictatorial, power love of people, children who, in these presentations, I am talking specifically of children. So I am going to tell you about Lycopodium child per se. So okay, so I have given even one more characteristic of Lycopodium is aversion to certain person. जो the parents come and tell me कि मेरा भाई आता है तो ही इसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है, he is not very comfortable with my brother only. I don't know why, but he is not comfortable with my brother. So aversion certain person of is very characteristic. I think there are many remedies, but this I have seen in Lycopodium very, very characteristic. I have also seen one more characteristic thing in Lycopodium in my private practice is if there is a girl child, they don't want to be with males. So the mother complains, she's okay, fine with ladies, but if there is a male person who is a guest, she doesn't want to be with them. So there is one rubric. Aversion men to women in something like that. So these are the small inputs that we see in Lycopodium children. This rubric I have seen in lot of Lycopodium children कि अगर if there is a female child तो उसको male person से थोड़ा aversion होता है. जब भी कोई male guest आता है या चाचा मामा ताऊजी आते हैं और उनकी गोदी में बच्चा जाता है तो बहुत रोने लगता है. This is one more characteristic of Lycopodium. We all know that Lycopodium has 4 to 8 activation. I am going to share 2 more cases where जो presentation था वो ये था कि early morning when the child is used to get up, the child is in a very, very bad mood. He's quarrelsome, he's kicking, he's shouting, he's just not listening to mama. Recently, 2 months back, I had a case where the mother came with the complaint of this. I don't know what happens to him. The moment he gets up, he's very irritable. He's shouting, he wants me near, and then also he's shouting. He's just fighting with his brother, and he's very repulsive when he gets up. So when I gave him Lycopodium and I went through the rubrics, and I came across many rubrics with morning aggravation. So lycopodium बच्चा जब सुबह उठता है, he is very irritable. Some rubrics are quarrelsome waking on morning, death thoughts of waking on morning, bed remain in bed desire to morning, anger morning waking on, aversion everything to morning, delusion fright waking on, morose waking on, so shrieking waking on, sadness morning. So there are a big chunk of rubrics which says that lycopodium bacha morning aggravates. When they wake up in the morning, they are very irritable and they are morose, they are not in the mood to talk. So I have solved 2 cases which came with the chief complaint of this. The mother was, he said, half an hour we are in a bad shape, the whole family is in a bad shape because the child is crying and howling and kicking and just fighting and just not able to listen. And the lycopodium 200 single dose was given onto the child and he was fine after that. Okay, so these are I'm telling you the shades of lycopodium that I have seen in my practice, right? Okay. One more thing that we know about lycopodium is a lycopodium child where we say timidity public about appearing in, timidity talk in public too. There is one more rubric which is very interesting, is taciturnity mutism. I have solved few cases with this rubric. Taciturnity is where you don't want to talk. Mutism is where you don't talk at all. बच्चे से आप कुछ भी पूछ लो, you ask anything, the child is mute, not even saying yes, not even saying no. So it is taciturnity, mutism, single lycopodium. Here again I will give you a word of caution that when you are giving on a single rubric, the rest of the picture should also match with the case. That is very important. If you see the lycopodium by core, then only you give lycopodium. Only कि बच्चे ने आके बोला नहीं हमसे और हम taciturnity mutism पे lycopodium दे, I will not advise. But yes, taciturnity mutism is a very important rubric of lycopodium. Okay. So in this case also we have seen that the crowd in fear appearing in public, fear continuous. One more thing is about lycopodium children is they don't like we said, new people. They also don't like new ideas or to undertake new things. So new ideas, aversion to, fear undertaking new things, undertakes nothing. These all are very characteristics. Even lycopodium बच्चे को आप नया खाना कुछ दोगे ना कि ये नया है, टेस्ट कर ले, तो he will not be very comfortable in tasting new food. Anything new, the child is not comfortable. जो old school है, अगर आप उनका school change कराना चाहें, उनको new friends बोलना चाहें, तो lycopodium child is not very comfortable with all this. क्योंकि उनको न्यू का फियर है, नया पर्सन हो, नया जॉब हो, नया घर हो या कुछ नया सीखना है, they don't like. So lycopodium child has new, even adult, they don't want to change their jobs, they don't want to try new things, they are comfortable in what? So lycopodium is very useful in such cases. Okay. One more aspect of lycopodium is that we have used it very frequently is behavior problems children in, good at school but not at home. There are 3 drugs, I think, lycopodium, thuja and tuberculinum. But again, I would like to emphasize when this rubrics is used is when there is a behavioral problem, understand rubric word by word. So when you see that there is a behavioral problem in children and mother is complaining, he does this, and I see that the child is very normally sitting and very respectful and very nice, and I ask, yahan to bahut achhe se baitha hai. Then the mother said, no, you ask school teacher praises him so well. He said he's so well mannered, but you see him at home, he's a ruckus, he's such a pain in the house. He doesn't listen, he is trying to dominate the little one, and he's abusive, or lycopodium can be abusive, disobedient, rude. There is 2 rubrics: rudeness children in, rudeness fever during, or disobedience in children, and abusive. I think rudeness children fever during is single lycopodium, or disobedience fever during is single lycopodium. So if you see a child who's very, very rude and disobedient and dominating at home, but when the child is very nice and docile and pleasing outside, you can think of these three remedies: Lyco, Thuja and Tubercular. But then again, you have to differentiate. But then your totality narrows down to these three remedies. Lycopodium is very good outside because Lycopodium has a lot of image. So Lycopodium is very well behaved outside. In clinic also, when you're asking something, the child is very smiling and answering. But if the mother contradicts or mother says something, then they will give a very stern look to the mother. So they will like to dominate their mothers also. How could you say that about me? Yes, hard for inferiors, soft for superiors. They know कि किसके साथ कितना डोमिनेट कर सकते हैं. तो जो अपने से छोटे लोग होंगे, अपने से छोटे मतलब नॉट बाय एज, अगर वो अपने माँ बाप को डोमिनेट कर सकते हैं तो वो इंफीरियर समझ रहे हैं, तो वो उनको भी हार्ड रह सकते हैं. सुपीरियर कैन बी एनीबडी in school, or friend who's more powerful can be also superior. So yes, there is one more rubric of in this. Kind with the strangers and something like that. There is one more rubric. I don't know whether I've written or not. Okay, so this we all know about Lycopodium. So these are the various shades of Lycopodium. There are many. Lycopodium is an intelligent child. Lycopodium has learning desire for. They want to learn things. Lycopodium is very conscientious about his homework. If you see, there are only two remedies. जिन बच्चों का homework नहीं हुआ, they are always very anxious about their homework and school work not done. They are Lycopodium and Silica. But Lycopodium also has an aptitude, is intelligent. Though we have timidity, talk in public too, but apt for. Lycopodium बच्चा जब डिबेट बोलना जाएगा तो वो पहले बोलता है कि बोलने से पहले आई एम वेरी वेरी एंशियस, बट व्हेन आई स्टार्ट डूइंग इट देन आई एम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. तो एप्टीट्यूड है. एक रूब्रिक है फिशिंग एप्टीट्यूड फॉर. फिशिंग एप्टीट्यूड मतलब जो उसको चाहिए उसको पता है कि कैसे लेना है. दैट इज लाइकोपोडियम. तो टिमिडिटी है, फियर है, एंजाइटीज है, एंटिसिपेटरी एंजाइटी है, बट उसके अंदर कैपेसिटी है. लाइकोपोडियम इज एन इंटेलिजेंट चाइल्ड. उसको पता होता है कि वो कर सकता है कहीं ना कहीं. जब वो करने लगता है तो वो कर पाता है. देन दैट एंजाइटी वैनिशेस. ओके. लाइकोपोडियम चाइल्ड कैन बी वेरी फ्लैटरिंग. आप दूसरे को भी फ्लैटर करता है और खुद भी फ्लैटर होना चाहता है. एक रूब्रिक है फ्लैटरिंग डिजायर टू फ्लैटर, और दूसरा है फ्लैटर्ड सिड्यूसिंग बिहेवियर इन चिल्ड्रन. गिव्स एवरीथिंग व्हेन फ्लैटर्ड. अगर आप बच्चे की तारीफ कर दो कि अरे यार ये तो बहुत स्वीट बच्चा है, ये तो हर किसी को अपनी चॉकलेट शेयर करता है. यू सीन चिल्ड्रन सेइंग नो. अगर मदर बोले कि शेयर करो, द चाइल्ड सेज नो. एंड व्हेन द मदर स्टार्ट्स प्रेजिंग द चाइल्ड, ही इज वेरी नाइस, ही इज ऑलवेज बीन शेयरिंग हिज थिंग्स विद अदर वंस, and then the Lycopodium becomes happy and share his things. So these are the rubrics. From everyday life also we can understand the child, कि वो कैसा बिहेव कर रहा है, उसको क्या चीज़ अच्छी लगती है, क्या नहीं अच्छी लगती. So we can understand each child, and everything has a rubric. If we are not able to understand, yes, Ravi, estranged from his family, being kind with strangers but not encourage in his family. Yes, that is the rubric. कि वो बाहर के लोगों के लिए kind रहता है, but to his immediate family he is not. Even Lycopodium mothers doesn't like. हमें सीपिया ही पता है indifference के लिए, but even Lycopodium mothers have aversion to children, indifference to their own children. That is very very marked in Lycopodium mother. We are fixed with that. Sepia is the only drug who has indifference. Lycopodium mothers have indifference to their own child. Okay, so where were we? We were discussing. Flattering. So we were discussing flattering. So there are so many things. If we are not able to, for example, recently someone asked me कि इसको क्या बोलेंगे कि बच्चे को चॉकलेट चाहिए तो पूरी ले लेता है, या बच्चे को वही चाहिए जो दूसरा बच्चे के पास है. सो देर आर वी आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट, बट देर आर रूब्रिक्स फॉर एवरीथिंग. वन की थिंग आई हैव लर्नड in all these years is, please don't fix your rubrics into the child. If you're not able to find the rubric, understand what is the core and then search in repertory. You will always get it. For example, the child wants everything, then it is greedy, grasp with both hands. अगर बच्चे को दूसरे के पास जो है वही चाहिए, तो desires full of desires, other person has what, so there is, children may then only understand the core of the child, and then probably we'll be able to give the medicine, not on singular rubrics. Only on singular rubrics when we are very, very sure that this single rubrics describes the child. Okay. So there are some singular rubrics of Lycopodium. Lycopodium is also very envious and jealous about people around. So insanity, envy with. Insanity मतलब इतना envy है कि he is becoming insane. Impolite children, disobedient children, impatience waking on. हाँ, लाइकोपोडियम की वन मोर सिंगुलर रूब्रिक दैट इज वेरी वेरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज, कुछ बच्चे आपने देखे होंगे जो अपने फ्रेंड के जैसा लिखने लगते हैं. व्हेन आई रिमेंबर माय चाइल्डहुड आल्सो, समटाइम्स आई यूज्ड टू कॉपी हैंडराइटिंग विदाउट नोइंग कि व्हाई. Unconsciously or subconsciously we try to copy handwriting. So imitation, mimicry, writing in without knowing the significance. जैसे आप अपने बच्चे में देखते हैं कि यार इसकी राइटिंग तो पहले कर्सिव थी, अब ये अलग अलग लिखने लगा है. Why? Because the friend is writing that way, and you ask the child, I don't know, she was writing this way and I probably picked up that habit. That is also Lycopodium. Lycopodium carries image. They want that. I'm sorry, there's some connection problem today. So yes, कुछ पेरेंट्स आते हैं एंड दे कंप्लेन कि इसको मैथ्स का बहुत डर लगता है, राइट. सो हेयर आई विल डिफरेंशिएट सम इंपॉर्टेंट रूब्रिक्स. एक होता है डर, एक होता है इनएबिलिटी. जैसे मेरे पास एक बच्चा था तो कर ही नहीं पाता था. स्मॉल थिंग्स वी शुड पिक अप एंड कन्वर्ट देम इनटू रूब्रिक्स. I'm so sorry, it's raining little here in Pune, so there is some connection problem. So we'll stop here today and probably we can continue next time. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for all the love and motivation, and thank you.